The Pain Lab here at UW Green Bay, we focus on pain and addiction research. We are staffed only by undergraduate students. Most of the students are psychology majors. We do have some that are human biology majors. These students come in, they work shifts. They are the leaders on the experiments.
Being a student researcher at the Pain Lab here at UWGB is a really great tool for me and a really good stepping stone into what I want to do in the future.
The research experience that the students gain in my lab will help them as they move forward in their career. It's a great way to prepare them for graduate school if they're interested in attending graduate school, which most students are that join the lab. It also sets them up for a career in biomedical sciences, a career that requires intellectual ability, critical thinking, and it really helps them understand the process of science as they move forward.
I'm pursuing a PhD in clinical psychology, so for me it really allows me to expand what I know and really get a feel for what else is out there as far as experimental methods. I will be eventually working with people as a career, but learning about animal models and how drugs affect the animal brain, how those different assays that we study, how those really implement into the real life scenarios that I will be working with. I really think that just being this involved so early on in my educational career really makes me proud that I chose UW Green Bay and that I chose it every day from that point on. I'm a first generation student, and so for me, being able to have these opportunities is a really big deal.